Introducing the DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro. It comes complete with XYZware Pro, a comprehensive 3D slicing software. This software lets you adjust your own print settings so you can optimize print quality. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro also supports third-party slicing. Besides printing from your computer via USB, you can also upload files to an SD card and print directly. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro supports the use of third-party filaments, so you can print from a greater range of suppliers. To automate the printing process and increase print quality, the printer supports auto-loading and auto-calibration. With a 5.9 inches cubed build volume, you can create larger prints. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro has a max print speed of 100mm per second, making prints fast. Without sacrificing print quality, you can also use an optional 0.3mm extruder. This allows you to get high-detailed 50-micron resolution. With XYZ Printing, you have all the tools to start your 3D printing journey, from slicing to 3D design software, online tutorials to customer service. And with a 1-year warranty, we've got you covered for any creative adventure.